Good evening. Hello everyone, today I've got an unboxing video of my new Samsung Galaxy A13. I got it from DG, as you can see, and it came in this bag, so let's take the box out. Apart from the phone, I also do have a SIM card right in there, but I'm not gonna take it out, so let me just put the bag aside, and let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box, Galaxy A13, Samsung, couple of pictures of the phone itself. You have a back picture as well as a front picture. Nothing on the right, nothing on top. On the left, Galaxy A13. I believe this is color-coded to the color of the phone that you get. Since I got the blue one, this is in blue. Nothing on the back except printed with soy ink and a recycle logo. And on the bottom of the box, you have your barcode, serial number, the model number, the color, capacity, RAM, and all that stuff. So, there is a tab right here that you cut to get inside the box. Okay. Samsung iPhone. Right in here we have the paperwork, what comes in the box, warranty card, nothing else inside. Here we have more stickers. Samsung Galaxy A13, the phone is right here. The blue does look quite nice, so let me just put the phone aside for now. The charger. It does have adaptive fast charging. The SIM injection tool is right at the bottom. And right here we have, I believe this, no, it's the USB-A to USB-C cable. Okay, so let's take it out of the plastic wrapping and boot it up for the first time. Okay. And Samsung Galaxy. Welcome, English United Kingdom, start. For your review, okay. Agree to all, agree. Okay, I guess I will allow all of this for now. Agree. Okay, so let me just enter the Wi-Fi password. Okay, the Wi-Fi has been entered. Now it's checking for updates. Okay, copy apps and data. Don't copy. Okay, so let me just sign into my Google account. Okay, so I've entered my Google account details. Now it's asking me to add a phone number, but I will skip for now. Okay, I agree. Back up to Google Drive, don't back up. Use location, allow scanning. Rest is fine, so accept. I will do fingerprints. Okay, continue. Let me do pin. Okay, let me just get back in the wall. Okay, I've entered the pin, so let's now do the fingerprint, and I believe it should be the power button as well. Yep. Okay, fingerprint added, add another fingerprint, nope for now, so next. Access your assistant with Hey Google, nope, skip. Access your assistant without unlocking a device, skip. Getting your phone ready, this may take a few minutes. Next, gonna skip the Samsung account for now. Skip. You're all set up. Finish. Later. Exit app setup. Yes. Okay, and it's all set up. Nope. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new Samsung Galaxy A13, 128GB in blue. Thanks for watching and goodbye.